Without a doubt, Microsoft Office 365 is a great tool for business. It allows the easy storage of and access to a company's documents, helping to improve productivity while also bettering collaboration between colleagues. However, there's a common misconception that after moving all of your stuff to its system, no backup is ever required and you'll have the assurance that Microsoft will keep it secure. Unfortunately, this assumption is totally wrong. Microsoft makes it very clear that, while incredibly helpful, Office 365 provides absolutely no guarantee of a speedy restoration for corrupted or permanently deleted data. It is only responsible for offering the use of its widely available platform and protecting its own service against hardware failures and natural disasters. While Microsoft does offer some tools, such as the recycle bin, to allow users to recover temporarily deleted data, there's definitely not the full backup protection one might expect. In fact, it's the users that are responsible for the protection of their data under the following conditions: due to legal and compliance requirements, the prevention of accidental permanent deletions, in protecting data against hackers and ransomware, preventing retaliation from former members of staff, and service inaccessibility due to political incidents. In Microsoft's service agreement, you'll actually find this specific clause: we recommend that you regularly back up your content and data that you store on the services or store using third-party apps and services. Put simply, if you previously haven't given any serious thought to backing up your Office 365 data, you'd better start getting on it before you're hit by a data loss disaster. So why is Ahsay an ideal backup tool? Well, with Ahsay, the process is ridiculously simple. When you need to restore lost emails or files from its backup system, you can simply choose to restore the data in question from either the latest point in time or from an earlier instance. The lost data will then be quickly restored back to your Office 365 domain effortlessly. But I hear you ask, if there are several Office 365 backup solutions on the market, what makes Ahsay the right choice? Well, the devil's in the details. And while there are many tools available, no two are the same. And these are the factors that separate Ahsay from the rest of the pack. Ahsay offers complete coverage. The entirety of your Exchange Online emails and contacts, your OneDrive for business files, and all your SharePoint Online personal sites and site collections will be protected. It's simple. Configuration can be completed in just a few clicks, meaning that once it's set up, you can then leave it to Ahsay, comfortable in the knowledge it will continuously protect your data. It's incremental. Only completely new files that are added or changed portions, aka the individual data blocks, within an existing file will be backed up in each event. This equates to saving you a great deal of time, bandwidth, and storage space. It's hardwareless. If you don't want to run Ahsay on your own dedicated machines, that's not a problem. Its backup and restoration processes can be run via the cloud. It has multi-destination protection. Having your backup stored in a single, potentially vulnerable location isn't secure enough, which is why Ahsay allows you to store a backup in multiple destinations to eliminate the possibility of any data loss. It's secure. When backing up to other non-MS clouds, all your data on Ahsay will be securely encrypted with a 256-bit AES full-length randomized encryption key. This means that any would-be hackers out there will never have a chance at deciphering your data. It provides retention. Besides restoring your files to the latest versions, you can define your own retention period, lasting as long as is needed. You can then choose to restore any previous versions of your data that are covered within that retention policy. It's got quick support. Whenever you bump into a problem, Ahsay's professional team is on hand to quickly identify and solve your issues within the same business day. It has free upgrades. You'll always be provided with the latest version of Ahsay's software with the most updated features and improvements to performance. Lastly, it's affordable. While others may offer similar products that charge an arm and a leg, Ahsay offers the lowest price solution, costing just a few dollars per 365 user per year, and that includes all the support and software upgrades mentioned. So, are you interested in properly safeguarding your company's data and want to know how to make that happen? Contact Ahsay now to obtain your trial and feel more secure that your files are finally in safe hands.